Hi there! Here are the top 3 reasons why you should continue your system maintenance support subscription.
As one of our valued users for OCi software system, we wanted to take a moment to emphasize to you of the value we deliver and the benefits you receive from continuing your software maintenance support subscription with us.
1. Robust technology. Our system is built with robust technology and is regularly updated to ensure optimal performance. And we use Microsoft Azure, a secure and high-end hosting server, to host our software and database. This means you can rely on our software to perform at a high level and your data is safe and secure.
2. Locally supported. We regularly update our website knowledge base with answers to user questions, and our support personnel are locally based and available to answer your questions in a timely and efficient manner. This eliminates the frustration of dealing with overseas support and ensures that you receive the help you need when you need it.
3. Statutory Compliance. As you may be aware, the Singaporean government's tax and technology agencies, IRAS and IMDA, have recently implemented some notable changes. These include the GST hike and the Digital Invoicing Initiative, which aim to modernize Singapore's tax system and encourage the adoption of digital technologies for businesses. As our primary market is Singapore, we are quick to attend to local statutory changes and ensure that our software is in compliance with the latest regulations. This protects you from potential legal liabilities and ensures that you are using software that is up to date and compliant with local laws.
In conclusion, OCi accounting software delivers value and benefits that you need to ensure the success of your business. Choose OCi accounting software system for reliability, security, and compliance. We are committed to providing high-quality software and to ensuring that you are satisfied with your investment.
If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at email cs@ocisg.com or WhatsApp us at 6295-5177. Thank you.